Hello everyone, welcome back. Today's lecture about the HTML tables. So yesterday we studied about the what? About the images tags. How to make more engaging your web page with the images. So today's in this lecture we will explore how to use HTML tables to display data effectively. By the end of the session, you will be able to create tables with headers, rows, columns, and even merge cell. So this is our lecture 6 in the full stack web development course. So today's our topic HTML tables organization data effectively. So first is an introduction to the tables. Tables allow you to display data in a structured format with the rows and columns. जैसा कि मैंने अभी बताया आपको and while the layout use use CSS for design tables are still useful for tabular form and you can see on left side on the screen student table roll number and the name. Roll number 1 for Rahul, roll number 2 for Rohan. This is a structured way for returning for writing the roll number and the name. And the next one is the HTML tables. So HTML tables. So this is syntax. Firstly, I will I will explain this syntax table. Tr for row, header 1, header 2, and the close it tr. Again, opening the tr for td. Data 1, data 2, close it the table. So here, these are the HTML tags. On the left side, you can see first is a table. Table is defines a table. I mean जैसे कि ये लेफ्ट साइड आपने देखा ये है टेबल है कि स्टूडेंट टेबल स्ट्रक्चर्ड वे में है मतलब कि ये हमारा टेबल की वजह से टेबल हमारी ऐसी क्रिएट हुई है टेबल टैग की वजह से ओके एंड द टीएज इज फॉर defines a header shell in a table and the third one is a tr defines a row in a table. Tr is for only a row, not a column, and the td defines a shell in a table, and the caption defines a table caption or title. Call group specifies a group of one or more column in a table for formatting. And the sorry, actually line is not considered. Call t head. Sorry. Call Call is for a specify column properties for each column with a call group element. Call group call group is your tag, HTML table tag. And the T head groups the header content in a table. And the second last is a T body groups the body content in a table. Last is a T foot groups the footer content in a table. When you open any website and you can see bottom of the website footer and footer में क्या क्या होता है हमारा like phone number about like कहाँ पे इसका कहाँ पे हमें इस वेबसाइट से कांटेक्ट कर सकते लाइक इंस्टाग्राम फेसबुक एंड सो ऑन so here footer this is called a footer and next one so here you can see also table for start the table tr for a creator row and th add a header shell bold and centered by a default done and td last one is a adds a standard data shell so third one is a adding a table caption The caption अब actually क्या होता है last one thing table tag about the tables actually. Table tag defines an HTML table. Done. An HTML table consists of one table element and one or more tr, th, and td elements. The tr element define a table row. The th element define a table header, and the td element define a table shell. So third one is adding a table caption. Caption is like a title. The caption tag for describing the table content or the caption element specifies the title of a table, providing the table an accessible description also. Here syntax caption, student attendance and the caption. Here you can see left side student table, roll number and name. तो इसका टाइटल क्या है स्टूडेंट स्टूडेंट या फिर स्टूडेंट अटेंडेंस you can adjust. Okay, and the fourth one is attributes. What's the meaning of attributes like a border? So border actually होता क्या है? Border is firstly I am explaining the syntax. Table border is equal to 1. Border, you can see right side. Border is like इसमें जो boxes बने हैं, you can write here anything, whatever. Here border is like you can see here, border is this space. Border, border से ये border है, ये border. This is your border, okay? Border is a visible or invisible line that surrounds the elements, padding, and the content. Border can be solid, dashed, or have a different color of a weight. Then this is your border. Uh, next one is a shell padding and the shell spacing. Shell padding. Firstly, I am telling you padding. What's the meaning of the padding? Padding is the space around the content within an element's border. So the space between the content and the border of an element. This is your padding, and the padding is transparent. Padding is transparent, and border may be solid, dashed, or ever different color or with anything. The padding is transparent. So here padding, and the next one is the margin. क्या होता है? Margin is a clears an area outside the border. Margin is also transparent. I think this is clear. Okay. So shell padding. Shell padding. Firstly, padding in the you can see the diagram here. Padding is like a box here. The space between that. The margin here you can see easily. And the shell padding. Shell padding the firstly I will explain the syntax table. Shell padding is equal to 5 and the shell spacing is equal to 2. Shell padding. The space between the element's content and its border. Okay. And the second point of the padding controls how much of the background color is visible around the content. And the padding can be set using a CSS, and the padding can be adjusted for individual sides of an element using padding top, padding bottom, padding left, padding right properties. These are the properties of the padding actually, and the spacing, shell spacing. Space between elements such as uh, such as the lines of text or images, and the space between cells in a table, and the shell spacing can be controlled using HTML or CSS. Shell spacing can be adjusted for all sides of an element by holding shift, dragging the padding or margin on the one side. Here, And this diagram on the left side, shell padding at first and for shell spacing. So merging cell has two components called span and the row span. So merging cell. So here merging shell. Hmm. Call span. Call span. Just a minute. Call span. The TD. So call span is a combine the columns. And the syntax TD call span is equal to the two hmm, and two and a merge cell TD. So hmm, here TD row span combine the rows TD row span 2 is equal to 2 and merge cell TD. So here call span actually होता क्या है हमारा? Call span is specify the number of the column shall should span. Actually call span में क्या होता है कि हमारा कॉलम्स कॉलम्स काउंट किए जाते हैं. Okay, this is not a hard. I'm telling you, as you can see here in the diagram also is columns about. Hmm, just a minute. Here you can see in the both the diagram of call spam, the row spam. This for call spam. This for row spam. Row spam merge cells vertically and the call spam merge cell horizontally. I think this is clear now. And you can say that merge cells vertically, allowing a cell to span the multiple rows. This can be used to create multi-level table or to improve readability. This is a very important point, improve the readability. And the call spam is a merge cells horizontally hmm, and allowing a cell to span multiple columns. This can be used for header shell that title a group of a column. So, okay. And the first question is around every person's mind. Okay, how to use it? That's a good question. But both the row spam call spam are the attribute of table cell elements in th and td. Okay. Uh, Here you can use the th instead of td. Mm. The value of either attribute must be a positive integer. For example, td call spam is equal to 4. Like you can say here 2 लिखा है ना जैसे यहाँ पे हमें 4 भी लिख सकते हैं. Means cell spam across the 4 column. Here cell spam across the 2 columns. Okay. And the row spam, example for row spam, td row spam is equal to 3. Here row spam is equal to, you can write here 3 instead of 2. Means the cell spam across the 3 rows. Here 2 rows. I think this is clear now. Hmm. Okay, this is your box model. Box model is a very important actually about a content box model. Hmm. So firstly content. Content of the box where text and image appear. यहाँ पे हमारा text जो लिखा है हमारा images होगी वो भी content में appear होगी. And the padding. Padding is a clears an area around the content. Padding is transparent. Is a very important. Padding is what? Transparent. And the border that goes around the padding and the content and the margin clears an area outside the border. The margin is transparent. Okay, I think this is clear now. So, mm, open the VS Code. Mm. Now, now let's create a student attendance table with all the features we have learned so far. Follow along step by step. So create a student attendance table. So Open your VS Code. Let's start with the coding. So here, this is my VS Code, and this is our yesterday's code. I'm creating a new file. Fifth code dot html your extension. Okay. Press the shift exclamation mark, then press the enter. So title. Firstly, I am writing the title. Today's our topic about HTML. HTML tables. Okay. Then write a H1 tag. In the H1 tag, we are the student attendance because I am creating the student attendance table. Student. Hmm, right capital. Okay. Then write table. Hmm, Table. Then here write border one. Okay. And I'm giving a shell padding 5, and last is shell spacing. I'm also giving shell spacing here. Kitni what? 0. Okay. So everything is have caption. हर चीज का एक्चुअल टाइटल होता है. See, कोई चीज नहीं जिसका टाइटल ना होता हो. So I'm giving also the caption. Attendance record. This best, I think. Attendance record. And attendance record हो गया. Then tr for row. Enter. Th. Okay. And you can see here when you move on cursor on th, then you can see about MDN reference. The th element represent a header shell in a table. ऐसे क्या हम किसी भी चीज के बारे में देख सकते हैं एक्चुअली है क्या. हर चीज को याद रखना इट्स नॉट गुड. इसे याद रह भी नहीं सकते इतनी सारी चीजें. इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. So here you can see the th element represent the header shell in a table. Okay. And uh, you can read the MDN document. Okay. So th roll number. Here I'm writing roll number. Okay. Then again th name present. हम क्या बना रहे अटेंडेंस रिकॉर्ड बनाए तो प्रेजेंट एब्सेंट तो होना ही है एक्चुअली. प्रेजेंट. ओके. tr is completed now. Here again tr td td1 फर्स्ट रोल नंबर है हमारा. एंड द नेम क्या होगा. हम एक्चुअली में इसी के बेस पे ये हमारे होगा. ये हो गया जस्ट कंट्रोल जेट. ओके. रोल नंबर इज 1 and here name I'm writing here name. Rahul. You can use any name and your name also. TD, present. Present for P. Actually, full sentence लिखना is best. Present here P. Just a minute. Hmm. Present. नहीं होगा actually. कोई नहीं. Actually, this is also good way when writing here. Present. Hmm. This is very a best way for writing it. Okay. Short form, we will use letter. हो गया TR एक्चुअली. अब हम लेंगे नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट का. TR again. TD. Next student 2. Next roll number of student 2. And the name. Row. क्या लिखना है? Tell me. रजनी. Rajni. Here TR, TD. And and the Rajni is present or absent? रजनी को अभी हम प्रेजेंट कर देते हैं. कोई नहीं. Both are student good. Present. Okay. She is also present. And Rahul is also present. हो गया. TR हो गया हमारा एक्चुअली पूरा हमारा टेबल क्रिएट होने ही वाली एक्चुअली. राइट TD है. colspan is equal to 3. अलाइन हमें टेबल को कहाँ पे लिख करना है? सेंटर. ओके. Here actually body here. Okay. Table. टेबल एक्चुअली हमें क्लोज करनी पड़ेगी ना पहले तो. हाँ. टेबल डन. Here open the TR. हो गया. Done. Our table is completed now. Okay. And click on show preview on the left side of the VS Code. Actually, just a minute. Is your table done? Here, student attendance, border, attendance record, end of the table. Here, you will write end of the table. Our table is completed now. Table. Done. Okay. Firstly, you see here. This is your H1 tag. Okay. And this is your attendance record, your caption or your title. mm, roll number, row. Okay. Your first roll number, Rahul present, and here same as for Rajni. End of the table. Hmm. Yeah, end of the table. Okay, done. I think these are now. So, inspect. I'm seeing any. Huh. This is your box model. Hmm. ये थोड़ा सा लार्ज कर लेता है साइज इंक्रीज हाँ बीच में क्या आता है हमारे यहाँ पे कंटेंट है दिस योर यहाँ पे जो भी जहाँ पे भी क्लिक करेंगे वो हमारा हाईलाइट हो जाएगा दिस इज योर कंटेंट नो पैडिंग हियर नो बॉर्डर हियर margin here so this is your box model okay now you can see your table and again inspect scroll down this is your box model जहाँ पे हम क्लिक करेंगे वो हमारा हाईलाइट हो जाएगा हमारे स्क्रीन पे तो हमारा वो चीज है कि यहाँ पे मैं बीच में हमारा कंटेंट था कंटेंट हाईलाइट no padding here no border here no margin here this is your box I think this is clearing now okay so there is code this is your code cut it here this is your code so finishing lecture so and you can also practice some questions. First, create a basic table, add three rows and a three column with a dummy data, and you can add the caption, describe the content of your table using the caption tag. Use the attributes, experiment with the border, cell spacing, the shell padding. Merge cell, create a table with the merged row and the column. So, great job, you have mastered the basic of HTML table. In the next lecture, we will dive into the HTML forms and learn how to collect user input. See you in the next session. Thank you.